Happy Thursday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. We're going to start out here with our fog outlook going for our Thursday night into Friday morning. As we started our Thursday, we had a lot of fog across the area, dense in spots. The chance for seeing dense fog into your Friday morning, it's lower but still not zero. I do expect to see the fog a bit more patchy and a chance there that a couple isolated areas see that fog a little more dense. So especially if you traditionally encounter fog during your morning commute, you'll have that chance at seeing that going into your Friday morning. The second half of our Friday, you'll also notice a change here with much warmer conditions. We cleared out our skies into your Thursday evening. Friday starts off with sunshine. There are some clouds off to our south. Most of those stay to our south here. But as we get into Friday afternoon, we'll look for clouds to start bubbling up as dew points continue to rise here. I'm expecting them back into the mid to upper 60s. So Friday will feel noticeably more humid. And as we start seeing that humidity creeping back in, rain chances are going to creep up just a little bit here. So walk you through how I expect this to play out. As we get into our Friday morning, notice the temperatures, they're not as cool. We started off our Thursday with readings dropping to the lower 50s. I'm looking for lower 60s for our overnight lows into early Friday morning. Again, patchy fog possible early on as if we have any fog out there, it burns off much quicker and we'll get into a mostly sunny sky through the morning with temps jumping toward that 80-degree mark by noon. Now, afternoon, we'll look for scattered clouds bubbling up, and you start to notice here as we head past 2 o'clock, we start seeing a couple very isolated showers. Most of these hugging the lake shore, being influenced by that lake breeze helping to touch those off. But as we go through the rest of our afternoon and into the evening, we'll have a chance for a few of those popping up over the valley as well. So these will be very isolated. It's not going to be a washout of a day. Most of us will be dry all day long into the evening, but everyone does have a chance at encountering one of these stray showers or isolated storms, and that does include during those high school football games too. I expect rather most of our games here will be dry, but one of these popping up over one of the stadiums, not out of the question here. As you see, going through 7, 8, 9 o'clock, that risk is there. It's also going to be pretty warm here for high school football as we head toward late September. We're talking high or temperatures near 80 still around kickoff, dropping toward the mid to low 70s by the final plays. That risk for some spotty showers or storms does linger into Saturday night or into Friday night rather, and Saturday morning, but the better chance at seeing a raindrop on Saturday will be in the afternoon. There's a weak cold front that's going to settle through. We'll still warm up into the 80s, and I expect some sunshine out there with partly sunny skies as we get into the afternoon, and you start to notice that shift in the winds coming more out of the north. Well, that front that slides through here will try to touch off a couple of these isolated showers as we go through the afternoon, lingering into early Saturday evening. And as we get into the evening and we pull in some drier air from the north, it's a brief drop again in dew points. Your Saturday night will be a little cooler as we head back into the 50s. So we're a little all over the place here with how the pattern is setting up for us, but generally speaking, this is going to be a warm stretch of days until a big change comes just as fall begins. You'll see that in the 7-day outlook. Fog stays a little elevated on our hassle factors list. Rain, downpours, and humid conditions at lower levels here. We're looking at 61 with patchy fog overnight. Starting the morning off, there could be again some pockets where that fog is a little dense early on. As that burns off, we get into a lot of sunshine with scattered clouds bubbling up in the afternoon and a stray shower or storm mainly after 2 p.m. Very isolated in coverage, 84 degrees, a bit more humid. High school football outlook near 80 at kickoff, mid to low 70s by the final plays. You do have a chance of encountering again a stray shower across the valley here during high school football games Friday, but not a washout for all of the games out there. As we get into your 7-day outlook, that risk remains for an isolated shower going up as we go through Saturday, especially into Saturday afternoon there. Sunday looks like the nicer day of the weekend. Humidity will be lower. We'll see a mostly sunny sky going back up to the lower 80s. Monday, dew points come back up again, partly sunny, 84 our high, and then Monday evening, we'll start watching those rain chances coming up again. And for Tuesday, I'm watching for some spotty showers and storms, especially into the afternoon and evening. Wednesday, that's our transition day. Fall officially begins Wednesday. I'm expecting a lot of clouds around. We're looking at showers and thunderstorms likely. It keeps us from warming up as much, but take a look at what our first full day of fall looks like. Certainly going to feel like it. By next Thursday, a much cooler pattern setting up over the lower Great Lakes. We're talking highs low to mid 60s. Chance there for a few sprinkles with some peaks of sunshine.